Okay, so time for a real quick preview vid of what I got in today, what I'm going to be breaking tonight and posting up over the next day or so. Do my first cut here with my trusty doll hero replica. It's kind of tradition, superstitious about, or whatever you want to call it. That's what I used to cut everything with when it was still sharp. Now it's kind of dull, but I'm trying to make the first incision with it. Tends to help. So, just got home from work a little while ago. Actually just woke up because I got home from work feeling like shit. Alright, so another 01 Golf, which I get a lot of because it's so cheap. So I'm not going to really add that to an order. Another Tennis Reserve. Some more of the 130 point top loads. Topps Series 2, 2011. The one the Diamond giveaway codes are still good in. 09 Sig Stars. And 2011-12 Panini Certified Hockey. And that should be it, I believe. Yeah, there's a little list. So there we go. So that's what we'll be going through. That's all that I'm going to be breaking today. And yeah, I'll have the vids up soon. So everything pretty good deal and everything. Everything's pretty good priced from Blowout as usual. So yeah, there you have it. Alright. Later.